Caitlin? Caitlin's in the trees.
I forgot how to drive. No, I'm good. Clouds are pretty cool.
Yeah, the cloud's really cool.
It isn't? It's not that cold.
Yeah, it's not that cold.
No, is that what you're worried about?
All the water in Maine, when we went up to Maine last year, the other year. You know how cold that water was?
Oh, the one when we were biking?
No, when we took our kayaks up and
Oh, at Brian and Sue's?
yeah.
What's that in the water over there? Oh, a log. What are you adjusting?
Oh, look at the trees over there. Like behind you, Brandon.
Oh, behind me?
Like right there. Look at them.
Oh,
Falling right
wow.
over.
They're completely uprooted. Oh, yeah, it's actually pretty well, yeah, right behind them, yeah. You can see it from the drone, you can see the shallow spots. That's how shallow they are. Especially right in the middle, the open area in the middle. That's, like right behind us, right to your right, is very shallow. If you stay along the main, like right along, let's see, it's like right over here, it's like a channel. Yeah, like over. It's hard to tell from. Like I think over here, to the left. Yeah.
There used to be a lot more lily pads like this.
Well, they haven't. It's still. It's too early.
Feels like the middle of summer already to me.
Yeah.
We're not even in summer, right?
No, we're not.